Welcome to the podcast where markets meet perspective. I'm Manuela, your host. Together with my father, who shares his analytical market insights, we break down commodities, equities, geopolitics, and market sentiment. This content is for educational and informational purposes only, not investment advice. Welcome everyone to this week's podcast. In this first section, we'll be walking you through some of the charts of the commodities. So let's get started. And before we get started, maybe we can mention quickly that we're both in different rooms than we're usually in due to the holiday period. So if there's any bad connection or anything, then that's due to that. Did you still want to say anything about that, Dad?
Yeah, we are on holiday, so we are in a room that has a bad connection, to be honest. So if you see some bad visuals, then it's due to that. So I hope this podcast is prolonging well. So let's get started.
We'll do our best.
Yeah, we'll do our best. Okay, I will share my screen. Moment. Can you see the charts now?
Yes, I can see the gold chart.
Yeah, this is gold. Yeah, it did what I expected to do. I thought it would go down a little bit more to 3,800. It didn't. It bottomed out here and it broke out. And now it's very positive, to be honest. So it broke out above its 50-day moving average. You can see that here. And it's going to its 200-day moving average. What I expect is that it go to this 200-day moving average, then it goes down again to its 50-day moving average, and then hopefully it goes up again and forming a higher block. That is my expectation now. Gold stocks are doing well also. Silver stocks also. So silver is making same move, although it's not broken out yet. This is not a breakout. It's exactly on its 50-day moving average. So yeah, overall the precious metals are doing fine. Platinum, it's also broke out above its 50-day moving average. So yeah, that also looks fine. I don't know if it's going to its 200-day moving average. Yeah, let's see what happens there. Do we still have the connections, Manu?
Yeah, we have it. Yeah, it's nice to see some positive numbers again.
Yeah, exactly.
It's been some negative weeks for the charts.
Yeah, for the portfolio also, I must say.
Yeah.
But this is doing well now this week, to be honest. For the last couple of days were very good.
Have you also sold some?
No.
Not yet.
No, it's just a breakout. So I hope for a move upwards, and then let's see maybe on the 200-day moving average. But gold and silver I won't sell. I sold some, or how do I put it? I sold some options on uranium options, and I bought them back today because they are very much in the red, and today they turned in a little bit in the green. So I bought them back to make sure I have no losses, because the options ended in October, and I didn't want to get these losses on that. So that's why I did it. But otherwise, I don't do anything. I just sit on my portfolio.
I think we lost my dad for a moment. There's a bit of bad connection in the room again, what we said in the beginning, where he's at,
Will
but
fly high.
you're back with us again.
Sorry?
You're back with us
Bad
again. The
connection?
connection failed a little bit, but
Ah,
you spoke that
okay.
you sold you called back the options that you had on uranium, but in the long term, you're still very bullish, right? On uranium.
You can see the chart now. I'm very bullish on uranium, so I expect this to break out in the next couple of weeks, months.
Yeah.
Uh, and it always takes longer than you expected, but I'm ready for this, to be honest.
Hmm.
Uh, Now you see copper. Today it has a downward move, but it has an all-time high earlier this week, yesterday exactly. So yeah, I still like it a lot, to be honest. Uh, See some messages of other analysts that uh, expect that copper price will drop a lot from this level.
Hmm.
Could be, I don't know. I don't expect that, but maybe other guys know more than me in this place. Always
Yeah.
good.
But if you look at the supply and the demand in general for the market, and that the demand is not keeping up with the supply, on the other way around, the supply is not keeping up with the demand, then you expect that the prices will rise again.
And we have a bad connection again. Sorry. So
Yeah, I lost
repeat
you
your
for a
question.
moment. No, I
Yeah.
didn't have I didn't have a question. I just made the statement that we know because we've said before with copper that supply is not being able to keep up with the demands in
Hmm.
general in the future. So even if the price will drop now a bit or a lot, in general, what you expect, if I echo what you've said over the last few weeks, you expect that things will rise for copper.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. But the copper can have a good movement down. If they call it Dr. Copper, not for nothing. So it tracks the economy, and if the economy is going down, copper price will drop like a brick.
Mhm.
And that is what other analysts expect. The whole economy is going down. I don't expect it, to be honest, but yeah, I'm not an economist. So you always have to listen to other voices.
Mhm.
Then
Tin, we
tin,
didn't hear.
sorry,
Yeah.
yeah, tin, yeah, it's still above its 50-day moving average. Yeah, I love tin. It's very strong. Uh, we have some tin stocks. I will keep them in the portfolio. They are doing well the last couple of days, week, I must say. So yeah, I hope to have some more gains in the future with tin. Then oil. I don't quite understand oil still. What you see is the last couple of days, you see it here. It's just below its 200-day moving average, but it goes up quickly again. I expect this trend continues. You see the tops are getting smaller, the bottoms are getting higher, so everything is squeezed. And I still expect higher prices in the future. There are many analysts that says lower prices are coming. I'm not one of them. I think higher prices are coming due to all the problems that we have in the world. That was Brent, and this is American crude, Texas crude. You see the same pattern, but the price will be different. Natural gas, American gas is still
Still very
very
low.
down. Yeah, uh, won't go up. And there is a lot of buying going on. So yeah,
Yeah, this is the moment that Europe is buying, correct? Or is it next
Europe and
month?
yeah, basically all the world except America. But
Mm.
Europe is buying a lot, but Asia is buying more.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I don't quite understand this part. I have to get more knowledge about European gas. I do understand because yeah, they buy a lot. They have to pay the prices, and they have to bid against Asian buyers. So
Mm-hmm.
that probably will stay on this level or go even on. Thermal coal, I don't like this trend, to be honest. I expected that it will go up. You see the blue support line here. We still have support on the 200-day moving average. It's the red line below it.
Mm-hmm.
I still expect it will go higher. But yeah, it has some weakness in it. So I expected coal to go higher. It didn't. And for if you see met coal, you see it here. It's even way below its 200-day moving average. That's probably due to weak iron ore demand. But yeah, it's getting hammered now. This is a bit troublesome. Although the stocks are doing quite well, I must be
Okay.
honest. So they are not getting hammered in that space, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
That was it for the metals and for energy. Now we go to soft commodities. Sorry for changing the screens a lot, but yeah, I'm sitting behind a laptop now, so a little bit improvising. Still have the connection?
Yes. I thought about making a boomer joke, but I kept it.
No, don't do that, please. Um, it's wheat this, so you see a little bit of a bottom is forming here, and maybe this will be a higher bottom on its 50-day moving. So it's going up. I hope for wheat, I have some options in it that will turn into the green again. I still hope for that. We still have some time on our sleeves. The options expire in October, but it will be tight, to be honest.
Mm-hmm.
For corn, it's too late, I think. Corn also doesn't look good. It's made a dead cross here. You see
Yeah.
it here. Yeah, I think we have 100% loss on that one. Here we have coffee futures. Coffee is doing very well.
Mm-hmm.
See here, it's trending sideways above its 50-day moving average. Sorry, 200-day moving average. 50-day moving average is increasing. Once it crossed 50-day moving average, it will take price upwards, is my expectation. So cacao, our favorite, is doing well,
Mm-hmm.
although the tops are getting lower. So I hope this is an intermediate top and it go higher. What's very important that the bottoms have to be higher. So, and especially above the 15-day moving average, it has a golden cross clearly. It's confirmed now. So I still like the setup. So I keep it. And then the next, sugar. And look what sugar has done. I didn't expect this, to be honest. It got volume here. See it here in the green. And it shoot upwards. I thought it would go down, to be
Yeah.
honest. But it broke out here. And this was a good moment to buy.
Mm-hmm.
It broke out here. At this level, you could buy and shoot here. So maybe we can have a second chance if it goes down again to the yellow line here. And then it's maybe a buying opportunity because it will seek support here and then fall. Soybean oil, yeah, it's doing okay. It's still above its 200-day moving average. You see here maybe a higher bottom forming, so it will go upwards again, the trend. So yeah, for people that want to buy in that direction, they have to seek for confirmation that it goes upwards again, and then it's a good time to buy. Here you see lumber, and it's getting really, really hammered. So this is interesting. This is really interesting. I don't know why, to be honest. But the technical setups is looking very promising. So if you get here a slightly higher bottom than this, it's bottoming out here and will go up above its 200-day moving average again. Maybe it's a good time to buy. Because it can fly higher again. You see, in the past, it made more silly moves like this. Here it's go down, here it's go down. So it goes down, goes up again also. So maybe
Yeah, it's not a strange pattern for lumber.
No, it's not a strange pattern for lumber. No. And here you see live cattle. I also like this setup. You see a triangle pattern that I drew. It broke out. It's above its 200-day moving average and its 50-day moving average and a trending upwards. So here you can expect some higher prices in the future.
And a few weeks ago, we started including the soft commodities. Have you now gotten a bit more grip on them since we've done them? Are you looking to buy more stocks or options on it, or you still want to do some more research?
Now I have to do more research, but it is more due to time than something else, to be honest.
Yeah.
I don't have time for it. So I'm what I'm looking now is the technicals, and I do understand the technicals a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, in a half year or a year, I understand it.
Then I'll ask you the same question in half year.
Do that, please.
Okay, we'll see each other in the next section.
Okay, until the
Okay,
next section.
bye-bye.
Bye.
If you're finding this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps the channel grow and allows us to continue creating valuable content. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. If you want deeper market insights, model portfolios and high-quality research, make sure to visit the investorassistancepro.com website and subscribe to our paid services. We should remind you that we do not provide investment advice in all our services. For free tools, tips and educational content, check out beleggershulp.nl. If you found this video valuable, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.